Yo, good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, TYT, and I'm just your everyday delivery driver, y'all. I'm out here this morning. Man, it's 5:20 a.m., but I'm out here nonetheless, y'all. I got a catering order from Tropical Smoothie. You know, I got like 4 catering orders this morning. 4, and like my last one is like at 10:50. So let's go, y'all. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, perfect. And then both of them are labeled with feedback plate though. I don't know why they wanted it, but they wanted it. So. Yeah, good enough.
Crazy, y'all. The lady, she's like that that I'm delivering to. She's like, you gotta follow me. Like I'm in a construction zone. I don't know if y'all can see none of this. And then I'm holding it in my thing like, this is crazy, guys. And then, you know, so I'm parked at the one thing. She said to wait for her or whatever. And, you know, it's another guy, you know, he picked up the order right before I got there. But, oh my gosh. So now I'm following the lady and the other guy back here. It's crazy. So now I'm following her around over here. So I'll follow the lady.
actually I'm gonna take inside.
Okay.
This one, get those and put them inside. Well, actually, yeah. You can take your picture, whatever you need. Oh, it's okay. Just espera. Open. No, open it. Here, there's cookies. Put the bag in. Yeah. Do we have another person? Do you have someone else? No más? Yes. Yes. Give me that bag. Yeah, yours, you can give me that. I'll take all those.
Okay.
Here.
1 second. I was just taking a picture.
Yes. Yeah, tell Robert. Get to that. Yeah, one more person. One more.
Get a couple.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm sorry about
My
that.
pleasure.
Guys.
Do we need to wait for you to go back out, miss?
Nope. You guys can
thank
go
you.
and go back out. Okay, these ones stay here. Thank you. And this is the yogurts, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Sorry,
No
guys.
problem.
I
No.
appreciate you waiting. You follow directions.
Yeah. No, I was talking to the lady same time I was talking to you. So.
Yeah, no, I mean, this is a pain. Like I said, his
Yeah.
goes in there. These have to be here. And unfortunately, you guys can't go up
Yeah.
that way. It will be easier, but it can't.
Okay, have a good one. Take care. Worked out. My next one is at 7:05 in an hour, so let's go. Yo, so I'm at Dunkin', y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. Delivery number 2. I'm pick up my next catering order at 7. It's 6:30 right now, so get a couple of deliveries in real quick. So let's get it. Let's go. Walk all the way to the other side of the building. Let's go, guys. Yo, so now I'm at higher grounds, y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. I'm just straight getting it, y'all. It's 6:56 right now. It's a little coffee spot out here, man. So simple little order, guys. Simple little order. I had to put on more clothes, man. It was cold. I need to fix my blower fan in this car. Yeah,
You got food delivery?
yeah.
Yeah, main door. Go ahead and go back outside and make a left on the main door, walk in, and they'll let you into the door, okay? Thank you, sir.
Hello.
It's gonna go upstairs.
Yeah, it says upstairs.
Yeah, you can take the stairs or the elevator's right there. And then it's on the left-hand side, on the other side of the cubicle wall.
Thank you. You just set it up right up there.
Oh, actually,
Okay, how you doing? Thank you. That's it. No problem. Oh no, that they left. Thank you. Yo, what's the deal, fam? So, man, my catering order, my third catering order canceled. I was on my way there. It was supposed to be picked up at 8:20. It's 7:57 right now. Good thing I was headed over here to get a coffee at Dunkin'. So I'm gonna come get me a coffee, and then you know, I'm gonna go out to like my next pickup is in Mesa. So I'm probably just gonna go to Chandler and start DoorDash, and you know, somewhere where I can stack, you know, maybe get a few deliveries out there, you know what I mean? But anyway, so I mean, that's the plan. So let's go, man. You know, and I got paid $15 on the catering order, even though it canceled. So, you know, that's even better. So let's go. Let's head back out towards where I'm used to being, and we'll get the rest of this day going. I'm gonna give me a coffee first, though. Yo, so now I'm at Firehouse, y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. This is my third catering order. You know, I don't know if I told y'all that last one canceled. The one that I had 4 today, but I'm only doing 3, and this is the last one. So let's go. It's like I'm supposed to pick this up at 10:50. It's 10:43 right now. So let's go. I got to turn my GoPro on the pickup. Lady almost gave me the wrong order. You know, because a lot of times you get to these restaurants and they don't understand what you're saying when you say you got a catering order and you're telling them the number. I'm glad I checked. I'm like, man, this don't seem right. Anyway, let's go, y'all. I'll catch y'all on the drop off. Guys order lunch.
Is this for the emergency center?
Oh, is it another door?
I just want to make sure if you're trying to deliver it to
It just said 101. It says suite 101. It says ask for a receptionist.
Okay. I just want to make sure it's correct. I don't want to keep
No, it's okay.
Let me call down and see who ordered it. Okay.
It might have a name on here.
Oh, yeah. Their phone number is
No, it just says front receptionist.
7958.
Okay. Let me call downstairs real quick and see if that's we ordered that. Right.
Family Vet Care of Mesa. Yeah, and they're on Gilbert and stuff. And they're great. Yeah. Of course. Yeah. Thank you. You too. I appreciate you. Take care. Good luck with everything. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so how can I help you?
I have an 11 o'clock appointment for Sexby.
Which department?
Cardio.
Okay. You take the sidewalk to the other side. There's a second door switch for medicine. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
But I can accept it.
Okay. Wonderful.
Yes, it is for us.
Thank you.
So I'm just leaving it with you then?
Yes, I have to bring it to the
I could have just said it then.
It's okay. Thank you so much. I
Take
appreciate
it.
it.
You too.
Have a good day.
Oh.
Exactly the way you did that with the electronic signage, you saw all those.
Almost forgot the picture again. The dash is on. The dash is on. Man, I'm that snooze like a mug, y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. It's 11:14 right now, y'all. So I just got done dropping that firehouse off. Now it's time to get it really in, y'all. So let's get it. Let's go.
Are you picking up? It's gonna be these drinks for you and all of this food. You ready? You're all set.
Hey, what's up, man? Good. Got all the goodies?
Yep.
Yeah.
Take care.
Appreciate it, man. Have a good one.
You too.
Hi there. Lee?
Picking up DoorDash for
Minnie?
it's for Bilal and Lucas.
So, Bilal and Lucas. What's your card? So, this is Bilal right here. It has a little card in it, so it doesn't get lost.
Is there a
That's for Bilal.
is there a plastic thing like this?
Let me get you over there. They're over there.
Thanks. I could grab that.
Okay, and then
So you probably want to grab
Yeah,
one.
grab another one.
there you go.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. That one's for Lucas. So
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. I can't even think of a love song to sing. Like, come on, man. Anyway, I know plenty of love songs, but get off the fake grass. Beautiful set of roses. I have no choice but to sit it on the ground like that, but done. Take photo.
Can I say, y'all, I'm at the fillet, y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. Man. So that last hour I made $26 on DoorDash just that quick. And then I just got like 6 garbage deliveries between the 2 apps. Grubhub just trying to send me all over the whole everywhere, but 2:14 right now. I mean 12:14. Let's get it. Let's go.
Come all the way to Queen Creek from Gilbert to deliver Chick-fil-A. That one in Queen Creek is horrible though. They must not even do DoorDash from that one no more. They building one in Santan right up the road. So that'll help with some of this goofiness. This is exactly the reason why I didn't want to be in this area. Every time I'm in Queen Creek, no reception, no reception. Anyway, y'all, let's go.
So now I'm at Five Guys. I'm out here, y'all. I'm out here. Man, I done declined like 15 Grubhubs already, but I ended up taking this one. This one's one more regular. It's 12:48 right now. Let's get it. Let's go.
Dropping off food. Perfect. Thank you.
So what's good? So I'm at Speedway now, y'all. It's a 7-Eleven pickup, you know. I guess somehow they are partnered. You got a big up cup, so I guess they are partnered with 7-Eleven. But it's 109 right now, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys ever picked up from like 7-Eleven or something, like these little orders. But now they're asking you to take a picture of the receipt. Then I push no receipt and it still prompts me to take a picture. Goofy. I'll see if they have a receipt. Smash, y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. Just straight getting it, man. It's 1:41 right now, so let's get it. Let's go. So now I'm at Brooklyn V's, y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. I just left out the gym, getting a quick workout in real quick. But it's 2:55, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go.
Man, I had 2 hoodies and a jacket on this morning. Now I have a tank top on. How? How, Sway? Hello.
Hey. How's it going?
Great.
Thank you.
Have fun. Have a good one. Timmy status. Let's get it. Let's go.
Yo, so now I'm at Fry's picking up more flowers. It's crazy. Crazy out here. But anyway, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I just got a Grubhub from Chipotle for $13, man. So I'm finna, from Grubhub. So I'm gonna go hurry up and see what's going on with this one. So let's get it. Let's go. Man, it's all kind of people up in this Florida apartment. Ain't doing that, man. They can have that delivery. I just paused my offers and now I'm finna go to Chipotle, man, so I'm hollering at y'all a little bit. Yo, so now I'm at Chipotle, y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. I'm just straight getting it. So now I'm back in Santan, so I'm gonna just try to stay out here for the rest of the day, y'all. So let's get it, let's go. 342.
Oh, I've been here a million times. I already know the demo. I already know the demonstration. Done. You take the pictures and you ring the bell.
Yo, so now I'm back at Chipotle, y'all. I'm out here, man. It's 4:17 right now. So let's get it, let's go. So this is the second delivery that asked me to take a picture of the receipt. Man, it's crazy, man. It's getting crazy out here. People lying, talking about they ain't get their right order. So you gotta go to these extremes, but it is what it is. Let's go.
I got my GoPro on me and everything, and I still forget to do the drop off.
Yo, so now I'm at Firehouse, y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. Man, I'm just straight getting it, y'all, man. It's 4:28 right now. So let's get it, let's go. So now I'm at Native, y'all. I'm out here. It's 4:48 right now, y'all. Let's get it, let's go.
Let's go, y'all.
Yo, I'm at the bell, y'all. If y'all can't tell, y'all. Man, I'm out here, y'all. I'm just straight getting it. It's 5:07. I forgot to tell y'all that DoorDash got a $3 peak pay, man. So pretty much every delivery is good. So let's go.
and rock you to the west. Yo, so now I'm at BK. Have it your way. I'm out here, man. It's 5:21. Let's get it. Let's go. Young handed to me status. Let's go. Back at Chipotle, y'all. I'm out here, man. It's 5:54 right now, y'all. So let's get it. Let's go. And it's the first part of the $22 double order, y'all. So let's get it, man. Let's tear this Valentine's Day up. So now I'm at Twisted Sugar, y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. No cap, no cap. Man, it's 6:03, second part of that double order, y'all. So let's get it. Let's go. To move that way. So you welcome for the pleasure. I've arrived. Wow. Last time I came here, the Wi-Fi was not working with me, or Jacques. It's a hell of a night, y'all. TYT just tearing it up for Valentine's Day. Grubhub just showing out. All these orders was done and ready to go, man. So let's get it, let's go. Let's go get some more. So now I'm at McDonald's. I'm out here, y'all. I'm out here. I'm just getting it, man. It's 6:49 right now. Man, I don't know how much money I got right now, y'all. Like, it's over $250. I'm just straight getting it, y'all. DoorDash is saturated because they got this peak pay, so it is what it is. Let's get it, let's go.
Feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.
Yo, so now I'm at Payology, y'all. I'm out here, man. I'm out here. Man, this is my last delivery for the day, y'all. Man, I hope y'all like the video, man. Thanks for checking me out. It's 7:26 right now, y'all. Man, I think I'm like 270, 280, something like that right now, y'all, after this one. So let's get it, let's go. I'm in that mode, y'all, so I might do some more deliveries, who knows. Depends on if I can get something.
That's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb.
I appreciate y'all checking me out, though. Just like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Show your boys some love. But man, I'm Audi 5000, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one.
I get lost in the words I say. I don't push.
If I do some more drop-offs, I'll add them after this one. But until then, peace. Now I'm at McDonald's. Man, it's 7:46 right now, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go.
I won't stop till I hear him say.
My ass behind me, so. Over here so we can get a good one. There we go. There we are. Let's get it, let's go. When you should go home, guys. Are you okay?
I don't know.
Did you guys call the cops?
whatever.
If that happened on
You want to be checked out? Are you hurt?
Yes, I just hit my head, yeah.
All right, let's get you to sit down or stay close by here. I don't want you to go too far.
Yeah, they want me to get out the street. Well, guys, pretty decent day, I guess. I don't know, but like, the Acura is done for.